Modern telecoms reach millions of clients and business partners, but ongoing digitization, increasing mobility, the demand for everything as a service, and the emergence of OTT providers cause telecom profits to dwindle. Thus, operators need to diversify their offer. Telco companies have to switch focus from the network to a customer and service-oriented approach. That requires having their own cloud service strategy. Comarch offers a wide range of cloud services available in white label model, which empowers operators to become successful cloud service providers. This includes cloud backup, cloud storage, time management systems, invoicing, document management, business intelligence, and many more. Our white label model enables you as a reseller to offer all of your cloud services under your own branding and to integrate them with all your internal systems. Incorporating these services in the telecom portfolio is fast and fully automated. Micro enterprises often struggle with daily process support. Many of these processes can be improved with cloud services offered by Comarch. Invoices can be issued automatically shortly after the meeting with the contractor is concluded. All relevant information is automatically backed up in the cloud. Meanwhile, numerous daily processes can be handled easily. Accessible Cloud will see the number of customers rise, with profit deriving from a diverse range of services. The Comarch Cloud offers real value added for your private and business clients.